The 2026 zero tax rate increase bond is a smart, strategic investment in our schools, in our community, and in our shared future, without raising property taxes.
This bond proposal would fund a brand new performing arts center with state-of-the-art lighting and sound systems. It will replace the outdated Howard Pepper Auditorium, which has served us for decades but no longer meets today's needs.
The state-of-the-art technology will enable my students to take creative risks, push boundaries, and test their potential on an incredible stage.
Our old auditorium can't support the scale, quality, or technical demands of our expanding performing arts programs, or the level of excellence we're prepared to achieve.
A new performing arts center will include a black box classroom, giving us a dedicated space to rehearse that won't tie up the use of theater in other events.
Whether you're a homeowner, retiree, or business owner, these investments benefit not just our teachers and students, but our entire community.
The new Performing Arts Center will give us everything we need to do the shows that are right for us.
And it will do it all without raising property taxes.
A new Performing Arts Center will give us the stage, acoustics, and technology to perform at our full potential and prepare us for what comes next, college, outside productions, or a career in the arts.
Remember to vote on May 5th, 2026. The 2026 zero tax rate increase bond is a smart, strategic investment in our schools, in our community, and in our shared future, without raising property taxes.